In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Google Ads API to N8n. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your account and go into your organization or create a new organization if you want to do that. From here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the navigation menu and go down to the API and services and go down to OAuth content screen right here. From here, you'll be able to see the metrics and the project checkup. And from here, you'll need to go over to the right-hand side and create your OAuth client. Once from here, it should look something like this, where I can add the application type, where I can choose between all of these options. And personally, I'll just choose web application. From here, you can also add a name to it. Let's just call it test 1 for this tutorial. And from here, you'll need to go down to authorized redirect URLs, create a new URL, and then go up to N8n and click in your N8n dashboard name or URL inside of this field right here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click create. And as you can see over here, then it should look something like this, where I can see the client ID. You'll need to copy that over to N8n. Let's just go into my workflow over here. And as you can see, I've already placed in Google Ads. So let's double click on that and then click set up credentials. Now from here, it should look something like this, where I can see the OAuth redirect URL that you'll need to copy into your Google Cloud over here. And from here, you'll just need to paste in the client ID, the client setting over here. And from here, you'll just simply need to scroll down until you see the developer token. And this is the API for Google Ads. And so to get that, you'll simply need to go back to Google Cloud and then go up to the search bar up here and search for the top result called Google Ads and then Google Ads API. From here, it should look something like this, where I'll be able to enable it like so. And as you can see, it will take approximately a couple minutes to a couple seconds, depending on how fast Google Cloud is on that specific day and how fast your internet is. From here, as you can see, it should look something like this. Once you get down to the credentials, you'll be able to see that your OAuth 2.0 will already be connected. From here, you'll be able to go down to the credentials down here. And from here, you'll need to go over to the credentials and create credential and then choose API key. Once from here, you can name the API key. Let's just call it Google Ads for this tutorial. And from here, you'll need to select the API key restrictions, where I'll need to choose Google Ads like so. From here, you'll simply need to click OK. And from here, you can see the selected APIs is the Google Ads API. And you can also authenticate it through the service account if you want to do that. And you can also add restrictions if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click create. And from here, you'll be able to see your full API that you can then copy into your clipboard and then go up to N8n and just paste it in like so. From here, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. And from here, you are simply done. You'll be able to click save down here once you get into your Google account and like so. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!